Our life before our son saw Dr. Alphabom was very uncertain, and Atlas's behavior was scary. And we had taken Atlas to an occupational therapist. We just weren't seeing a whole lot of progress, but he did have pretty explosive meltdowns fairly frequently.
We did an intensive training across the time of a week with Atlas, and we started noticing some pretty distinct changes within just a few days of vision therapy. And those were a significant decrease in the length of time or even the frequency of meltdowns. We saw immediately more attention. His patience has changed pretty dramatically. And then we saw an ongoing series of changes with him that are around his overall behavior, his temperament, and then also his scholastic, his mathematic abilities actually at school. So interestingly enough, we have some test results from before and after doing vision therapy where he was at or below the benchmark for his age group. And then within months of doing vision therapy, far exceeded test results of his other peers. He loves soccer and has played organized soccer since he was probably 4 or maybe even 3 on teams, and had scored 1 goal in like 3 years. And the fall season before he did vision therapy, his team did not win a game. In this spring, same soccer league, same type of kids, everything. His team went undefeated, and Atlas was the high goal scorer on the team. And he said to me at one point, he said, "Dad, it's because I can see things better."
He started swimming. It's like things started firing on all cylinders, and he was able to, because he was able to see, he started skiing significantly better. It was almost like he was taking more risks, safe risks, but he wasn't so timid and scared of jumping off of a diving board or skiing or sports that he'd been doing for years. We saw such a significant increase in his abilities. Some things that he is able to do now that he was not able to do before: read, write, count. That may seem basic, but really his growth has been exponential. And it was so immediate that there was no way of saying, well, this is just because he's been in school for a couple of months. That it was pretty drastic pretty immediately. So being able to lay in bed with him and watch him read has been monumental and really special.